Most of y'all who follow me on Instagram, you'll already know that my daytime skincare routine consists of SPF and moisturizer. For the night time, I take it really seriously, and that's what I'm going to show you today. And I've already done a video for you guys where I've showed you all step by step on how I take off my makeup, which is here, so please click the link. Now that your makeup is removed, there's no hard and fast rule on what you have to do next. I go in with a cleanser. This is a gentle skin cleanser by Cetaphil. It's amazing if you have extra sensitive skin like I do. Once you pat it dry, comes the next step. We have a mask. I'm using Glam Glow's Power Ranger mask. It's the Gold Dar. It's an exfoliating mask. So I'm only putting in the areas where I want to exfoliate. It's a super firming mask as well. So it tightens and firms the skin. Now I'm gonna let this sit out for about 20 minutes. You now can see these creases, see? So that's when you know you gotta take it off. Now it's on to the next step. I'm going to use eye pads in the sense that they are gel pads. So I'm going to put them under my eyes to kind of hydrate the area because I apply a lot of concealer. As you can see, I have bad dark circles and they're really squishy. Can you see this? Like a jelly. And now just place it. They include arnica and they include retinol. I apply that on for a couple of minutes and let it soak into the skin. When they start to dry is when you know that they've done their job. They kind of fade away lines, all the fine lines that you have. The next step is to kind of massage your eye. What I use is my favorite eye massager ever. It's by Nurse Jamie. But you can't ever use a massager plain. You have to put a serum or an eye gel on it. It's lifting, firming because the vibrations really keep it up and tight. 3 to 5 minutes, I keep massaging my eyes like this. Now once you're done with your eye massager, it's time for the face. So we're going to use a moisturizer. I don't rub it in, I just press. Yeah. Okay. No one's skin is perfect. Everyone needs spot treatment, acne correction. My dermat recommends Natty Backed. I basically only have one. And now for my finale step, after I brush, I put on my retainers. I had braces for about almost 3 years. I took them off last year and I have to maintain the position of my teeth. So here we go. And okay. So now I'm just gonna put some cream because your lips tend to get a little dry. So people who have retainers know this. You've done your eye cream, you've done your face cream, you've done your pimple cream, you've done your lip cream, and now you're ready for bed. I'm ready for bed. Okay, bye.